Master the art of using this and these. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar. Today, we're diving into a particularly useful topic: demonstrative determiners, specifically the use of this and these. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use these words to make your English more clear and precise. Let's get started. Before we jump into this and these, let's briefly cover what demonstrative determiners are. Demonstrative determiners are words that we place before nouns to show whether they are near or far, and whether they are singular or plural. In English, our four primary demonstrative determiners are this, these, that, and those. Now, let's look at this. This is a demonstrative determiner we use for a singular noun that is close to the speaker. For instance, if you are holding a book and you want to talk about it, you might say, "This book is interesting." Because the book is in your hand and is close to you, this is the appropriate word to use. Just like this, these refers to something close to the speaker. But instead of being used with a singular noun, these is used with plural nouns. For example, if you have several books in your hands, you would say, "These books are interesting." Because the books are in your hand and are close to you, and because there is more than one book, these is the right word to use. To help you grasp the use of this and these, let's practice with a few examples. 1. Blank, apple is delicious. Since apple is singular, we use this. 2. Blank, dogs are friendly. Dogs is plural, so we use these. 3. Do you like blank shoes? Shoes is plural, so we use these. Remember, the keys here are proximity to the speaker and whether the noun is singular or plural. And there you have it, folks. Now you have a solid understanding of when and how to use the demonstrative determiners, this and these. I hope you found this lesson useful, and as always, keep practicing. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use these words correctly. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning.